Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna show to you how to add admin to an Instagram account. So basically what you have to do is simply log into the account that you want to add as admin to your Instagram account. So as you can see, I have this account at the bottom, Deshaun CCA. And basically after that, after you add that account to your list, you have to tap on the menu button and go to settings and privacy and then go to account center. Here, you'll have to simply tap on logging in with accounts. And after that, you'll have to simply tap on your main Instagram account, the one that you want to add uh, as admin. And then simply, as you can see, which accounts can this one log into. So make sure to select this one here at the bottom that you want to add as admin. And basically, that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.